Alrighty, so here we go. Got the Licks pen, nice, very nice box here. The Licks, the world's smallest 3D printing pen in the world. Smaller, stronger, faster. Want to create what you imagine? How about writing and drawing without paper? This has been something that's been a dream of mine for a while. Pretty much writing in the air. It's a very basic form of it, but let's see, let's just open it up and see what we got here. Ooh wee, very nice. So this is the pen itself. I'm gonna put this back in here and set it over here while I go through the rest of the box. And of course you got your instructions and things of that nature. Looks pretty straightforward. I'll make sure to go through this before I start. Oh, it's got a little, you know, kind of pre-thing to help you, you know, with your first builds. Wow. I think I'm gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna do that today, but we're gonna give it a shot. So now we have a little bit of a shadow. Okay, so, and then we got the filament. This is a black filament. About, I think it gave you 40 pieces of filament in the black and the gold. So we'll get to that in a moment. This is the gold filament. I didn't know it came with gold. That's an interesting choice of color for this. So yeah, we got the gold and the black. Probably start with the black, you know. Of course, charger. Well, this isn't the charger, this is the cord that powers it. At first I thought it was you charge the pen and you can take it anywhere, but that's not the case. But this is also the part of the power cord. So it's a USB powered. So I have a power bank here somewhere. I don't know where I put it, but I have a portable power pack which I can plug this into it, and then I can use it anywhere. Because this is a pretty long cord. And it looks like that's it for what's inside the box. There's nothing really else in here. So everything seems pretty straightforward here. So I'm gonna go ahead and find my power bank and then get started with it. I can already smell it. I know when the light gets to be, when they're all lit up, that means it's good to go. Okay, that's gonna be, okay, so it's heating up. This is gonna be kind of tricky because this power cord wants to come out pretty easily. So I just have to be kind of careful with that. So it's almost done heating up, and then we'll get we'll start drawing. We'll start drawing. But it does go. We're gonna use it. So I'm gonna go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby and see if they have this same filament size. I think it's like 0.07 or something. Go check it out and see. So I managed to make the letter M. So let's see. Make sure that's on. Turn power on. Now I'm gonna do this thing. See if I can make the. See, it cool it down pretty quick. So now I gotta wait for it to heat back up. So instead of making this into a tower, I don't want to keep wasting filament. I'm just gonna make a cube because I know how to make a cube. All I need is four. I'll need 4 sides instead of okay. I just need 4 of these instead of the traditional 4 towers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna try and bend it. there we go. We got a cube. Alright. So you guys see right here these buttons. This cord, if it comes out, it has to reheat every single time. So it seems to not want to stick to this material very well. So let's, I guess paper. You still have to start with a piece of paper, so let's try that again. Did I do it? I do this thing in the commercial where they drew the licks. Kinda. It does kind of help if you have like a shape, something to, you know, put the shape to. So at risk of using more of my filament, I'm going to end this here. This was just kind of a demonstration of the Licks pen and some of the things that it, you know, proposed to do. I didn't really do very well because it's my first time, but definitely plan on seeing more videos like this, but better, you know what I mean? Because I'm actually going to learn how to use this thing. So yeah, that's my first demonstration of the Licks pen. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm definitely going to get better at it because it's definitely a learning curve to this thing. It's, I don't know, it's just got a different feel to it than just drawing on paper. But I'm definitely glad you guys got to see this and expect more videos coming with this. People compare it to like a hot glue gun, but with plastic. I don't agree with that. I think it's more of additive, just like a big 3D printer. It's more like additive. It just keeps coming out and drying, so you have to, you know, attach and move it. I definitely think this is a good invention. I think it's a good step towards future art and things of that nature. Definitely need to get more filament. This filament goes pretty quick, so as I work more with it, and I'm going to go to different stores and see who has the filament that matches the size, because I think it says that it's 1.75 millimeters. So we'll see. It might, the other doodler pens might have filament that fits this, so we'll just have to wait and see. Not quite there yet. I want to thank you guys for watching this unboxing video and review of the Licks pen. If you enjoyed this, make sure you hit that subscribe button to see more videos from FUMI. See you guys in the next one.